Asphalt's down at Northwest Grains. They got the bin together and they put the top section on the hopper. Asphalt, smooth silk. Palmetto Paving did an excellent job on that, as always. Must be doing the finishing touches of the bolt and the hopper section on. Let's see if I can circle around here without. Maybe there might be some pickups in the way, but maybe not. Got Superior Cranes out here. There's the receiving building. I imagine they're getting all their bolts together there. So 30,000 bushel bin. One day we will take in 30 hopper bottom trailers of beans, and then the next day they will load out 30 containers and they will take them right over there to the inlet port and they will be loaded for export. Beans is going to be the big. It's hard to compete with corn and wheat and stuff like that. Soybeans is a product that works well for this sort of a situation. And I got a little piece of concrete to pour up there and then just dress up. It took a long time to get the permits on this project, and it took a long time to get a lot of stuff. It's been an odd couple years with the COVID and all that kind of good stuff, but anyway, that's the update on, and I can say the name, Northwest Grains Facility. And we'll do another video when the project is completely finished.